Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa likod TRNQB 2237 patungong Mactan, Cebu. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board TRNQB 2237. We are all bound for Mactan, Cebu. Our pilot in command is Captain Ricacio, and assisting him in controls is First Officer Garcia. And this is your senior cabin crew, Fred. Our estimated flying time is 30 minutes and we'll be cruising at an altitude of 14,000 feet. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the de Havilland Canada Dash 8400 next generation. Please watch your cabin crew. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end off the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free end to release. Your life vests are found under your seat. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head, take tape around your waist, and push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, go into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. Emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety cards found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shade open, and your tray table stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. Safety procedure for takeoff, you shall be dimming out the cabin lights. If you wish to read, reading lights are located in the service panels above you. final preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened.